Hey Michael, 1213 Hockey Artifacts. I don't know if you can hear me over the rain outside because it's like, I don't know if you can see, it's pouring buckets. But Artifacts, last box I have. Good luck. I can't believe that just happened. We got a rookie redemption, wild card number. What number is this? 233. My sign outside just got blown over.
Wow. Hasn't been inside in a while.
No. Oh, we got a patch. Let's see what we have. Looks like it's an emerald. St. Louis. Tony Twist. Emerald jersey patch out of 75. Carter Camper rookie out of 9.99. John Quick goalies, $9.99. Another Bruins rookie, Maxime Sauve. Looks like it's dying down now. Emerald Parallel. Alfredson out of 99. Still looks weird seeing him in a Red Wings uni. Got a dual jersey, Team Canada, Braden Chen out of 125. Autofacts of Nick Grossman. Got Tundra Tandems, dual jersey of Doug Wilson and Denny Savard. Last pack. And we have Team Canada, Zach Cassian out of 9.99. Okay, thanks again, Michael.